So this is the Ferris keyboard. This is my daily driver. Well, actually, it's not this one. It's this one, which is pretty much the same, but the difference is this is Milky Yellow. I really like the way this sound. The difference is this doesn't sound, or it's way quieter. So I also built this one. I really like this corner keyboard. The reason why I don't use this as much is that this is way louder and my wife hated it. But this is more low profile and it's way smaller also. I really like this one. So talking about the Ferris keyboard, this one, there's some things it got a power button. This is my personal one, so I remove it. There's a battery, it's 100 milliamps. For me it lasts probably 2 or 3 weeks. And in the back there's reset button, both of the half. There's magnets here, so I can have it together to take it somewhere. I really like the magnets. And there's this thing that the unibody something. I really like this to take notes. There's also magnets here, so I can snap it together. And now it's not a split keyboard, it's a unibody keyboard. It's really good in place. So these two big holes is to carry. You can just carry. These other 2 holes, this is to remove it, and this 2 is to reset. I mean, to have the reset button, I can press it from the back without taking this out. The reset, by the way, is mostly for reflashing and for pairing purposes. I hope you enjoy. I hope you can also enjoy using the keyboard.